Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for nearby places if you are at a certain National Trust place and you would like to explore other opportunities and places to explore. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should select a place from these popular places listed here. Or you can also tap on this map icon and then select a place from your map, or type in the exact location of that particular place into the search bar at the top of the screen. And then you should scroll down, and here you can find the nearby places to this particular National Trust place. So here are all the results. So if you are interested in any of these, you can just simply tap on it and get to know to that place, such as the opening times, basic information, view the directions, how to get there, the facilities, the upcoming events, or if you have any further questions, you can also contact them via phone, email, or their website. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.